Take your time. They don't tire very quickly, do they? Got a bit of stamina. Could have caught 4 flathead by now. Makes a change from all the brim though. Yeah, but he's a good one on light gear, this one, I'll tell you. Tiny hooks, 6-pound braid. Eco-Gear ZX40, suck scent. Come on mate, we just want a photo. Give up. He's swimming into the tide too, that must be tiring him. 7 minutes and counting the video. I should have waited a while. He'll get tired any second now, I reckon. He's getting tired. Good braid, that Gosen braid from Sporties and Bundle. It's good stuff, eh? So strong. Oh shit. Come on fish, we want to go catch some flathead and bass. Yeah. Sometimes they'll do big long runs and tire themselves out, and sometimes they just stay close, slugging it out like that and conserving their energy. I think he's trying to burn you off on the boat too. He's looking for some sort of structure, eh? Should see him again soon. There he is. Beautiful looking fish, eh? Oh, he's a nice fish too. Jeez, he's a nice fish. Take your time at this point now too, eh? I'll grab the nets, sort of gently guide him in there without him panicking too much. Won't put it in the water just yet. Hey, nice fish. Nice fish. Hey, well done. That's a lovely GT. Look at that ZX, eh? Eco-Gear ZX40 color 447. Does it again. Well done. Yeah. Well, here's Mick with his nice little GT. We're going to release now. Gave him a good little fight on it, like here. Give him a quick little swim and he'll take off, Mick. That's it. Backwards and forwards a little bit and he'll go. See you, mate. Yeah, lovely flathead here. We're going to get this pontoon 21. That Spanish red color is just absolutely deadly. Oh, flatty, keep still, mate. Get you back in the water in 1 second, okay? There you go, nice flathead from Mick. See ya, buddy.